Welcome to Straight Talk. In this video, we will show you how to navigate the various features of the website. To log in, simply click Login in the upper right, enter your email address and password into the provided fields, then click Login. Upon logging in, you will be brought to your home page. On the left, you will see your communication style, your name, email address, and the date you last completed the survey. You will also see the Where Do I Go From Here button, which walks you through inviting people to Straight Talk and how to compare styles with them. Below that, you will see your personal connections and your team connections. You can click the arrows to collapse or expand the sections. If you click any of the names here, you will instantly see the person's communication style and have the option to compare styles or to remove that connection. You will also see a button to email that person. In the middle of the page, you will see your scores for each of the 4 primary communication styles and your specific communication style. On the right, you will see links to the FAQ, the feature overview, the link to retake the survey, and a link to contact the site administrator for help. You will also see a button for the Straight Talk video workshop and a section for your notifications regarding invitations sent to you, pending and accepted invitations you have sent, as well as any important site and account notifications. When you click Read About My Style, you will learn about the characteristics of your communication style, as well as a few tips to communicate more effectively. For a more in-depth understanding of your communication style, click the View My In-Depth Results button.